Today, we don't need to cut down more forests. We have enough land in this planet for production for everybody. When my father bought this property 15 years ago, he had a forest. When we don't have forests, we have nothing. No birds, no animal, no trees. Looks sad, looks completely open. And the summer was so hot. I started planting the first trees because I looking for the shade, We are human people and we make impact. This is true, all the time we make it impact. But sustainability for me is when the impact is less. My dream is to create a sustainable farm. This is my work. Agroforestry for me is one ecosystem to produce sustainable products today, tomorrow, and also in the future. The canopy is really important because they permitted the connectivity for the different ecosystems. The forests produce the condition for the healthy rain. The trees help other plants to survive better here in the farm. Forestry ecosystem, we have around 22 different crops. Bananas, a different species, pineapples, white color, yellow color, we have sour sap, 6 different species of citrus, we have cinnamon, we have vanilla, we have cacao. At the beginning it was hard, but when the people can see results and the people start to believe, it's possible, to do different. In this moment, my father started to believe. He's happy, really, really happy. The human people, unfortunately, forget, we need the forests around the world, not just the tropical forests, all the forests around the world, The tropical rainforest is not too much. But when we destroy the small area in the planet, we destroy practically the balance in the planet. We need to find solutions. We can find more possibilities to take something for the forest and not to cut down. We need to have crops and trees living together in the ecosystem. Agroforestry can exist everywhere in the tropical ecosystem around the world. This is one of the solutions to save the forest.